Hey, what's going on? This is Emilio Martinez with my brother King right here with Junior. I'm filming right now. We're about to go in there and shoot my 1911 Tactical 45. Also, we rented a 357. We're going to try out too.
Get a close up on that gun real quick first.
Smith & Wesson. Let's go try it out.
Let's try it out. Let's go, brother. Hey, put your earpieces on.
You got earpieces now?
Noodle.
Yeah.
The earpieces.
Hey, you put them on. Put them on.
Hey, give it to me when I'm done.
Earpieces. Give me the stuff off. Can you bring it over here? I thought you were going to put the thing on the phone gun.
What about the ears?
This shit's loud, dude.
It's hella loud. This shit will bust your fucking ears open, bro. You need the fucking earpiece. You hella need the fucking earpiece. Last time I came, and this shit don't fuck my ears up. Those are earplugs, yeah. Put the earplugs in. Everybody on YouTube now, these are very motherfucking important. You have to have the earpiece in your ear. If you go in there without these or whatever, they are so loud. You gotta have safety glasses too, all that. We got the whole hookup. My brother Emilio's in there right now, getting hooked up. Like I said, everybody, you have to have these. Nah, you gotta like roll them with your fingertips like this. Roll them with your fingertips like this, and then just stick them in there. Look, you gotta make them hella small, and then just stick them in there. Yeah, stick them in there and plug them in, and then they'll blow up in your ear. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, grab them. Everybody. Yeah, you got it, bro. Well, you want to.
It's so hard to do it. That's all. There we go.
Alright, let's go.
I don't think these are in, bro.
Just gotta hold them.
Do those look in there?
Yeah, you gotta hold them and then they'll explode.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
You ready? Put this on. Here.
Here, hold. Turn off for a second. You ready?
Let's go. Told you.
I don't think there's a boot open.
Yeah. We should go over there and tell the dude. Yeah. And my brother Emilio. 1911. And 357 man, just running the trial. We'll be back. As you can see, everything they're all right now, so we gotta wait. We're gonna have to go with a part 2 with this today. Anyways, we're at Ripon gun place. As you can see, it's Burns and Barnes place. As you can see, I'll get a little thing of the whole line. As you can see, what the whole store looks like. We're getting ready to go up in there. Look at it, bro. All these big old moose heads at the top. And this place is a very nice store. Got the real, line up at the top up there. Chandeliers. I mean, this place got it all. Got the deeper rug on the wall.